Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to clean your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. In front of me I have a cleaning tool and I'm going to use this brush from it, but you can use toothbrush if you haven't cleaning tool, and also I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit, don't worry. Now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol to the charging contacts on my earbuds, and right here we have these charging contacts. Also let's make it for the right earbud. And also inside the charging case we have this charging contact, so I'm going to apply it also at my charging case. After that I'm going to use only this brush, so we need to clean charging contacts on your earbuds. Now let's move to the right earbud. And to the charging case. Now the right side. And after that, let's clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tips from these earbuds. Now we have this grill and make it slightly. Now let's attach it. And remove the second ear tip. Here we go, and also we need to clean the grill on this earbud. And let's attach it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!